As far as I know, sir, wala man pinatay po si Mayor talaga.
What do you do?
So in short, sir, pinatay namin. Ganun lang, sir. Lumaban, sir, eh. Pulis, may sariling baril, sir. Binabaril nga niya yung misis niya, kami pa.
Napatay niyo sa bahay niya.
Yes, sir.
Nag-operation
Pinoperate
kayo?
namin talaga, sir. Yes, sir.
I will take advantage of the presence of the former president and then ask now the police generals present this afternoon. Narinig niyo yung sinabi ni Presidente? Danao, Generals Danao and Coy, do you confirm what the President said? Na kung involved ang police ninyo sa krimen, siya mismo ang pinapatay daw niya. So ano, do you confirm such a statement?
Alam nila yan.
As far as I'm concerned, sir, when I was under the Davao City Police Office, hindi naman siguro sir yung pinapatay.
Sige, tell us.
As far as I know, sir, wala man pinatay po si Mayor talaga.
What do you do? What do you do to the policemen involved in crime?
Policeman is involved in crime, sir.
That
Yes,
is
okay.
the scenario. Oh.
Sir, nung panahon ko, when I was the city director, there was one policeman who was discharged for illegal drugs. And unfortunately, hindi ko na lang po i-mention yung pangalan kung sino yung congressman na nilapitan at na-reinstate po sa serbisyo, in short. Okay, he was already discharged from illegal drugs. Wala pang 1 year, sir. Walang ginawa kundi magmaoy, mamaril, at binabaril niya, sir, yung kanyang misis, binabattle indok niya yan. Okay? So, in short, sir, yung taong yun, kinausap ko. Kasi sabi ko, kababalik mo lang, baka pwede namang maglaylo ka. Okay? So, ang nangyari, sir, naglaylo siguro ng 3 linggo. Ganon uli, sir. So, binaril niya ng binaril yung misis niya. And accordingly, sabi mismo ng misis niya, sir, kaya po laging nagwawala na naman itong mister ko dahil bumalik uli sa droga. So, in short, sir, pinatay namin. Ganon lang, sir.
Anong circumstances? Meaning pinatay ninyo, paano?
Sir, lumaban, sir, eh. Pulis, may sariling baril, sir. Binabaril nga niya yung misis niya, kami pa.
Napatay niyo sa bahay niya?
Yes, sir.
Nag-operation
Inoperate
kayo?
namin talaga, sir. Yes, sir. Inoperate namin, sir. Nakalimutan ko lang yung apelyido. Pero that was when I was the city director. I think it was 2014.
Anong month po?
I am familiar with the...
Sige, sir. Can you supply the details, Mr. President?
Yes, lumaban, sir.
Yung anong petsa, so that yung mga gusto mag-research further sa insidente, anong petsa, anong pangalan ng tao?
And I cannot... it would be impossible to remember that. I have to go back home and...
General
dig
Danao,
into the
month
record.
and year? Para lang because this happened in Davao City, pero anong month and year? Para...
Yes, sir. Hindi ko lang, sir, maalala yung pero I was the city director, sir, eh. Pero that was from... Kasi I was assigned, sir, from 2012 up to 16 yata? Or basta almost 3 years yun, sir, eh.
Thank you.
So, walang ginawa yun, sir, kundi magsumbong sa station. And actually, pinatawag ko, sir, yung police, eh. Yun yung pinagtataka ko, sir. Dahil na-discharge na ito, hindi ko na lang sasabihin, sir, kung sinong congressman yung nilapitan niya.
Sige po.
And nakabalik, sir, sa serbisyo. So, yun ang nakakasakit, sir, sa atin. Dahil dinischarge ka na nga for illegal drugs and yet nakabalik ka uli. Pagbalik mo, the same trabaho, the illegal drugs pa rin. So what will we do dun, sir? Alam nga naman na misis mo, binabaril mo, buntis, binabatil indok mo. Di lalo na sa ibang tao.
Thank you, General Cuy. Any reaction to what the President said?
Sir, when I was the city director then in 2005, I cannot remember any incident of a member of the Davao City Police na involved in illegal activities. But yung policy na yun po ni Mayor noon was well known to the public, more so to the members of the police force.
Senator.
Go ahead, sir.
Sa lahat ng puro nagdaan ng Davao to, pinakamabait yan si